Emtelle's Homes Pass Plus, designed to solve your FTTH deployment challenges by eliminating multiple site visits, reducing installation costs, speeding up customer activations, and enhancing network reliability. Ensuring high-speed connectivity is installed up to a home's boundary on day one. The cable is blown, pushed, or pulled and stored in our innovative FiberMag solution. With an IP68 rating and the capacity to hold up to 40 meters of our cable, it provides a reliable and efficient way to store and locate for future connections. No more blocked ducts, infill issues, complicated routing, or additional excavation. Future-proof your network today. Cut costs, speed up deployment, connect the world. With Emtelle's Homes Pass Plus, you get it right the first time, every time.